Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Viti Cut-It here with my first tutorial on YouTube. Hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned.
Let's go.
Alright, let's get into this tutorial. First thing we're gonna do is comb out the hair. Make sure all the hair follicles is loose so it's easy to cut down. You know what I mean? We're just gonna chop it down. Make sure it's lined up crispy. So right here what I went with is a 1 closed, I'm pretty sure. Knock the hairline down. Make sure we can make that hairline crispy when it comes to the lineup part. So right here I took the 1 again all the way open. Just knocked out some of that bulk, you know, just to clear up some space. Then clipped his hair up, then took our liners and went in on the bald line. So right here, making a little C cup and come in with the shaver, clean everything up, make sure everything is ready, and make sure the guides can be really easily noticeable. What, in my opinion, when it comes to these low tapers, it's only like one guide. I only use like the open, which I'm doing right here, and then the bald line. And then from there, I like to just fade up real easy. It's real simple after that.
But my mind, tell me what you needed me for. Tell me what you needed me for, cause I had to break your spine. Everything I need at the door, everything I need at the door, cause I'm leaving it tonight. Leaving your thoughts on a plate.
Alright, right here, we're going to clip his hair up again, but we're going to take the open again, no guard, and just flick it out. What you want to do is you just want to flick it out. Just try to get it blend easy. And then I took a 1.5. I'm pretty sure this is closed right here. Yeah, it looks closed. And we're knocking out some of the bulk. It didn't take off enough, so I went back to the 1. And then this is closed, I'm pretty sure, and just knocked out that bulk. And then I came to the 0. Pretty sure this is the 0, and I opened it up and gradually closed it. You know, just to make sure the taper is together. And I came back with that 0 again and knocked it down the bulk. But the same thing, same steps in the back. Come in with the bald line with the trimmers, buff it out with the shaver. Boom. We're gonna take the 1 here closed, knock it out. This was the hardest part for me. In the back right here, I should have went earlier and knocked off with the 0 closed, just to clean out all the bulk. But I ended up I didn't want to knock too much off, so I kept the 1 open and 1 closed, and it didn't take off enough. So I ended up coming back and using the 0 closed or 0 open, and it just knocked off what I needed. And then what I like to do is take the trimmers and come in at the angle right there. If we can't get that line out at the bottom, just keep flicking at it. Just make little sharp little marks, and you should be able to get it out. Yeah, you see me right here going back, trying to knock off that bulk.
I'm a go-getter, ain't no nigga really trying to make a move. Every day I'm counting more figures that spill about the room. I need some more bricks.
Then I went back with the 1. Pretty sure this is opened, and knocked out the line from the 0 close going with the grain.
Okay, now who wanna step to me? You know this shit for free. I get that noodles from my Asian ting. I think she from Beijing. She says she waiting on my check to ching. I'm kicking out ling ling. Stupid thing. These niggas.
You always want to brush the hair down just to see so it's in its final position. Usually what I like to do is when I get a rough draft of the fade, I usually just go in, line it up, just so I can get an outline of where I'm at so far. If I do need to go back, I'll make sure it looks clean.
I'm dropping fucking 9.
Boom, now we're moving on to the beard taper. Here's the same steps, just on the beard. You use the 0, or sometimes I don't even like going to the trimmer. I just go straight to the clipper, open and close it, boom, boom, boom. And then the last line, I use the trimmer and knock it out. So, hairline, we're gonna brush it down. I don't have spritz. I need to get some spritz. That's the next step.
I need some more bread, some more head, so nigga, what's the...
Brush it down, make sure it's all even. This right side came out better than the left side at first, but always take pictures, look in the mirror, get different angles. So what I ended up doing is I came back later and made this left side there that I'm working on right now, the C area, I made that more round, because here it's a bit straight, and I had to make it more round. Like this side is pretty round and it looks good. So I just make sure the other side was even, just so we can have a clean and even cut. You feel me? You want to start at the top of that C and at the bottom, then connect them so you can get that clean curvature. photo. But listen, this is my favorite part. This beard lineup and the lineup in general with the razor. This is my favorite part of the cut. If you don't know how to do it, you will mess somebody. You will cut them. Look, you make sure you pull in the skin. Make sure it's all pulled and stretched so you don't cut somebody. You know what I mean? But yeah, make sure it's all stretched. And then this is where the cut, in my opinion, fully comes together. The lineup is crispy. If the lineup's crispy, your haircut's already together, right? But when you come in with that razor and it just adds that little extra pop, yeah, this is what takes your cuts to the next level right here. Yeah, you see how the C spot is really sharp? I mean, really like straight. That's what I mean. Like, it's looking back on this, I should have realized earlier, but I ended up fixing it. It looks good in general though. Boom. Pull the skin, pull the cheek. Make sure that he doesn't get cut. Make sure everything's all perfect.
Alright, look, so the video ended up stop recording, but I can throw some pictures right here. Actually, move out the way. This is what the cut looks like. I think I did pretty good. I just got me a razor, so this is my first razor lineup on a client, but I've been working with razors for forever. Hope y'all enjoy. It's been Viti Cut-It. Peace.